Now the pledge has come down, but to understand business as well as how does the promoter holding move going ahead, well, we're joined by Mr. Nitin Khara, the Chairman and Chief Managing Director of the company, who joins in. Hi, Mr. Khara. Good morning and a Happy New Year first to you as well as your entire team. Talking about the holding first, you had disclosed yesterday that you'll have released some pledge on the promoter entity's holding, but I think it's still in that vicinity of around 15 to around 17%. So 2 points there. One, by when do you, look at in releasing further pledge, or is that an intent? And point number two, you have some warrants, I think, that are outstanding or preferential issue to promoter entity. Post-conversion, what does the holding go to?
Yeah, very good morning and wish you all a happy new year, Mr. Nigel, Lata madam and Sonia madam. Yes, we have placed now some quantum already we have released from that, and now I think by this month end we'll release the complete total quantum. It's a requirement for urgent requirement of little bit fund for our company. That's why we have placed that. But now it's a little bit quantity is still pending that we will remove by this month end. Secondly, our promoter holding after this warrant will be around 61% around. Yes, it's around 61%.
Okay, why did you pledge your shares? What's the debt level? What was the debt level, say, a year ago, and what is it now?
Early, I think around 78 crore was there, and now it is around 35 crore. So almost 50% we have there. That's urgent requirement as we have started our LPG import just recently. Okay. So that's why
I was coming to that. You had told us that you're going to start bottling plants. Have you added anything in this quarter itself? And if you can tell us the volume as of half year and what the volume will be by end of the year.
Yeah, Lata, we have added 3 more plants in this quarter, last quarter. Yes, confidence is a total supermarket of LPG and CNG. In LPG, you are aware that we are in LPG cylinder manufacturing, where we are manufacturing and supply to all oil majors, and LPG bottling and marketing, where we have presently now 61 bottling plant. Earlier we are in 58 bottling plant, but now it's a 61 bottling plant. And third, auto LPG dispensing stations. Earlier it was 209, but 10 we have added in last quarter. So now it's 219, and another 50 are in pipeline, 50 to 80 are in pipeline, which we will complete by this financial year 2023.
So you
yes.
told us that you had acquired a plant in Dahej as well. What's the capacity utilization at the Dahej plant, and what will it be at the end of this year?
Yeah, Sonia, as in last my interview, I told that there was little bit constraint in the due to price of the CNG prices. The demand of CNG cylinders are little bit lesser in this last quarter. But now, as prices are coming again reduced by the government, some government. So we are hoping that in this quarter we'll get the good orders again. But as far as capacity utilization, I can say we are utilizing 60% capacity of our whole 3 CNG cylinder manufacturing plant, which we are having in Dahej, Halol, and in Nagpur.
Can you just quantify for us how much demand has fallen? I ask because, a lot of companies like Maruti have also indicated that since CNG prices have gone up, demand has been on the muted side. Can you quantify from your end what has the fall been in terms of demand or volumes?
Demand-wise, as I told, no, it's a 40% downtime of the demand overall CNG cylinder manufacturing. But as in second, we are in retail also, where we are getting the good growth of the CNG retail. In Bangalore, we are developing 100 CNG stations. Out of that, already 11th are commissioned, and we are getting good response day by day. We are increasing our volume also in that CNG.
Okay, all right. Mr. Khara, let's get a couple of numbers then. You're adding capacity or focusing on the various verticals as well, but it's all about numbers ultimately, right? In the first half of the year, you've seen a growth of close to around 25% at around 820 crores odd. For the year, what kind of a number are you looking at in terms of a top line? And also give us a margin band. And what's the outlook for FY24 from here on? What are your targets? Go ahead, sir.
Right, Nigel. We are expecting around, in this year, we are expecting around 1800 to 2000 crore top line for the top line, including our last quarter. Fourth quarter is going on now. So we are expecting around 1800 to 2000 crore of the top line. In the, if you can say to 23-24, so in LPG cylinder manufacturing, the same demand will be there. In LPG, auto LPG, we are forecasting a growth of around 40%. That means presently we are selling 325,000 liter per day, which will go up to 425,000 to 450,000 liter per day in this 23-24, because the new stations are also coming up. So the growth will be around 40% in that field. In third, in pack cylinder division, presently this year we have sold averagely around 6,000 metric ton per month. So around 72,000 metric ton per annum, which we are targeting because some new bottling plant has also come and our new dealer network has also increased. Plus company has also gone for the direct B2C marketing. So we are expecting the growth of around 40 to 50% in that field also. Plus, the company has now directly started import of the LPG, and as LPG prices are very sustainable, economical, so we are hoping a good business in 23-24.
Okay. So what you're saying is, in spite of muted demand, because you have expanded dealer networks and bottling plants, you are going to continue with a 25-30% revenue growth.
Right.
Okay. And margins, as Nigel asked you?
In auto LPG, we are operating margin of around 15 to 18% going on, and in pack cylinder division, as 10 to 12% operating margins are there.
All right, we will let you go on that note. Thanks a lot for joining in. Dipan Mehta is still with us. Dipan, any thoughts on Confidence Petroleum and the stock price?
Sonia, sorry to disappoint. I don't track the company, but heard the management sounds very confident. We'll certainly start putting it on our watch list.
Okay.
Okay, that's good to hear. Okay. Well, Dipan, we have to take a quick break. We are going to come back. We will have the technical experts join us, but we have more questions for you. So do stay on with us. Back in a jiffy.